So I think Panasonic made a mistake by releasing the Lumix S9, and instead they should have first released the S9 Micro. So what am I talking about here? Well, this is what I'm talking about. This is my Panasonic G85 Micro Four Thirds camera. Yeah, Panasonic should release a Lumix S9 Micro Four Thirds camera with the same sensor and processor of their new G9 II or even the GH7 Micro Four Thirds camera. And since it is in a smaller body, it won't quite have all the same features as the larger body G9 II or GH7, but it will be less expensive than either of those cameras. So this is exactly the strategy that Panasonic took with the Lumix S9, because it used the same 24 megapixel full frame sensor as the S5 II and the S5 IIX, which is what I'm shooting this with right now, but it is going to be smaller, so it won't have all the same features, but it's also not going to be as expensive as those two cameras. And I think if Panasonic did that, it would make a huge difference for all the people out there who are looking for a much smaller, more affordable version of their Micro Four Thirds camera, and they would still get all the best features, namely their new phase detect hybrid autofocus system, their amazing stabilization, and then other features like open gate, their myriad of codecs, and other things like real-time LUTs. There's so many things that Panasonic offers in their cameras with video features that is simply unmatched. And having a micro version of the Lumix S9 would have been simply perfect. And if they were able to price it around the $1,000 range, I think this would be the camera for a lot of creators out there, whether they are new to this or the professionals needing another camera. It would have been absolutely perfect, at least perfect for me. So Panasonic, if you're listening, please release the Lumix S9 Micro. We would all love you for it and thank you for it by buying your camera. So if you actually had any thoughts on this, be sure to leave in the comments area below. And if you did want to see my videos on my Lumix S5 IIX full frame camera, I'll leave videos to that in the description area as well. So as always, if you did get value out of these videos, be sure to share, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you on another episode.